Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I basically tried the INKEY Retinol Serum for 4 weeks, and I wanted to come on and show you guys my results. So I'm going to insert the before clip, take you through every week, like how my skin progresses and how it looks, and then we'll compare the before and after results, and I'll give you my final thoughts. And guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out and helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate it. Okay, let's hop into the video. I've always heard that retinol was supposed to be this like super amazing skincare product that basically gets rid of all your pores, all your acne, gets rid of wrinkles, and like really evens out your skin tone, basically give you like new baby skin. So I've always been really excited to try it, but I was always like I heard this rumor that you're not supposed to use it when you're younger because I don't know, like it was too strong or something like that, and it wasn't good to put it on like super young skin. But recently I've been hearing that originally retinol was made to actually be acne medication. So it was actually originally made for like teenagers who like struggle with acne. And so I decided I would try a really gentle one and just slowly add it to my routine to see how it goes. And the one that I went with was this one, the INKEY one. It's super affordable. I got it from Sephora, and I heard that it was really gentle. So I will insert the before clip here, and then I will take you through my application and like my first reaction to this, I guess, or my first impression of this. It's actually a very sticky serum, and it's got like this yellowish color, and it's a little bit watery, and maybe I'm applying too much, but I feel like it is a little bit sticky. Now, I didn't experience any kind of like dryness or irritation or peeling or anything like that. And I was really confused because I thought retinol was supposed to be like really intense, but this must just be like a super gentle formula, because on the bottle on the back it says start every other or every third night and build to every night, but use consistently for maximum results. So I think this must be like a more gentle formula, because with a really strong retinol, you would really use it like once a week and then like build up if you even found that to be necessary. But yeah, that's what my first impression is. It's a little bit like liquidy, watery, a little bit sticky. Other than that, I didn't experience any kind of irritation. I just put it on after toner and before moisturizer. And at first I was only going to use it once a week, but after using it and not experiencing any irritation and not really seeing that much of a difference in my skin, like I'll insert the clip of the before versus after 1 week, so you guys can see. And after week 1 I only used it once because I thought that I had to like slowly build up to it, but I didn't see much of a difference in my skin. Looking at the clip, I feel like my skin pretty much looks the same. Like before I started, I had like crazy breakouts, and so after 1 week I felt like my breakout was still there and I didn't really notice a huge difference. Like actually I have the clips here, so let me look at it and we can compare. Okay, actually looking back at the clip, the before clip, my texture looked really bad. Okay, so after 1 week I felt like my texture already looked better, but I still had acne, and I feel like I can still see my pores, but my skin did look like a little bit brighter. But I think I was expecting my pores to like completely disappear, and I didn't notice a huge difference with that. I felt like my pores look a little bit better, but I can still like see them really clearly. So after 1 week I started using it twice a week because I again didn't notice any irritation, and I felt like I needed to use it more to see more results. So I will insert the clip of after 2 weeks here, and then after 2 weeks I feel like my texture started to get better. My acne was like drying up, but I can still see my pores pretty clearly, and my acne was still very visible. And then I will insert the clip of after 3 weeks. And then after 3 weeks, I feel like I see an improvement in my skin tone, and like it looks more even and brighter. But again, the acne and the acne scar is still there. It's a lot better though, like it's more like scarring, acne scarring, rather than acne. Okay, and I will insert the after clip here. So this is basically my skin after 4 weeks. I feel like throughout the week, I guess I didn't notice a huge difference, but now looking back at the clip, and especially looking at the before and after, I do feel like it actually did help my skin a lot. I feel like my skin looks a lot more even and a lot more bright, and I guess my biggest complaint was that for some reason I had expectations about my pores like disappearing, and that didn't happen. But I do think it looks better though, to be honest, now that I'm looking at it. I think maybe I was just expecting like too much for such a gentle formula and maybe I need to like try more intense formulas if I want that to happen. But overall I do feel like it did make my skin look a lot better, and I am happy that I like added this to my skincare routine. I guess my only complaint is that it is a little bit sticky and I don't like sticky skincare but I do like having it in my routine, and until I find like a better retinol to replace it with, I think I will keep using it. Right now I'm using it like every two or three times a week, kind of just depending, but I do feel like it has made a difference. So overall I am happy with the results, and I think what I want to do is just try a stronger one. Also, it's only been like 4 weeks so maybe that's why the results aren't like as insane. Like I know on YouTube sometimes people will be like, my results using retinol for like 20 years and maybe in the long term it just has like way better effects if you continue using it. So if you guys know like of a better formula or like a stronger formula, or if I should be using it for longer or anything like that, let me know down below in the comments section. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you next time. Bye!